One of the easiest ways to make the inside of your house look nicer is to upgrade your light fixtures. Today I'm going to show you how to remove this old early 90s brass sconce, wall sconce, and I'm going to install one that was selected by a professional interior designer. What do you think of that? It's going to be crazy, it's going to be good, and you need one in your house too. So leave a comment down below. Is it too dark in here? Is the lighting too bad? Whew, that's an LED bulb, but it's hot. Whew. This is real simple. Anybody can do this, even if you're handicapped. You can replace your light fixtures. Most electricians I know are handicapped. See what sort of surprises are behind this. You never know what you're going to get. No surprises. The metal light box. This wall sconce is very straightforward on the install. You have a crossbar. You got 2 screw holes, those slots, so you can move this around and it'll fit any size light box. And you got this little nut here, and it goes through that hole, and you just screw it down. It's a piece of cake. Like I said, anybody can do this. And we're going to hook up these wires. Bare copper goes to the bare copper in there, black goes to the black, white goes to the white. In this light fixture, yours might be different. Here's how I have it wired up. Ground to a ground screw. Because we have a metal box and our ground is grounded to the metal box in the house. I know it's kind of dark in there. If you have a plastic box, you're going to have to tie your grounds together because it won't transfer through the metal box. That's aluminum. I'm going to put that one in my mouth. Okay, we're almost done. We'll put this light bulb back in. Nice color. Now, for the tricky part, the dangerous part. We have to install the cover of this wall sconce. And this is what makes the whole thing, is this is the design. So this is it. A white little ball on the end of a threaded kind of screw. There is a plastic little sleeve right there, just to help prevent it from chipping or something. It just hangs on these, I believe. And you center it back and forth. We'll see what it looks like when you get this up in here. What do you guys think? Would you pay your interior designer to put this up? I think it's pretty good. Kind of blind right now though. What do you think? Is it an improvement at least? I think it is. I think you should take these out. If you have something that looks like this in your house, I think you should take it out. You can do it yourself. It's very easy. This took me a few minutes, and you can save a lot of money by doing it yourself. Don't even want to tell you how much I made in the 5 minutes it took me to do that.